Hello and hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about input tax credits, output tax credit and net payable GST. Now let's talk about what is the benefits of GST registration. There is one thing that completely stand out. GST is a mechanism of input tax credit. Input tax credit means at the time of paying taxes on sales, you can reduce the tax you have already paid on inputs or purchased. Let us understand by an example. Suppose Mr. Surya is a wholesaler for cell phones. Purchased his cell phone from manufacturer for rupees 15,000, which is cost price for wholesaler and selling price for manufacturer, and charges to GST at the rate of 10%. He pays rupees 15,000 for the phone and rupees 1,500 towards a GST. This GST of rupees 1,500 is paid to the government by the manufacturer. Now we are dealing only with the rate of GST amounts. Surya sells the same cell phone to Mr. Ravi, who is a retailer. Surya sells the phone rupees 20,000, which is the selling price for Surya, after adding his profit and charges GST at the rate of 10%. Amount collected by the Surya from Ravi towards GST is rupees 2,000. The GST is rupees 2,000, out of which he will pay rupees 500 towards the government after adjusting the GST rupees 1,500, which is already paid by him at the time of purchasing the goods. The adjustment of rupees 1,500 known as input credit tax. Let us understand one more time. Now Mr. Ravi sells the same phone to Akash, who is the consumer, which is end user. Ravi sells this phone for rupees 25,000, which is the selling price of Ravi and the cost price for Akash. Ravi charges the GST at 10%, that is rupees 2,500. Now the total amount is 27,500. Amount collected by the Ravi towards the GST is rupees 2,500, out of which he will pay rupees 500 to the government after adjusting the GST of rupees 2,000, already paid by him at the time of purchase. In this case, input tax credit for Ravi is rupees 2,000. I hope the concept of input tax credit is clear now.